What if you could turn your photo into a cute Pixar-style 3D sticker pack in just a few minutes using AI? So in this video, I will show you step by step how to create a professional WhatsApp and Telegram sticker pack using Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro with the exact prompt that I use. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar But. If you are new here, I create AI tutorials and also web development, graphic designing, video editing, digital media marketing, and more tutorials to help you design, automate, and earn online. So today we are creating a high quality 3D cartoon sticker pack from a real photo of one of my photo using Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So let's get started. So you can see you can open gemini.google.com and here you can upload your file, the image reference, and now I will type here the exact prompt that I use. You don't need to type the prompt actually, because I will include the link of my blog post in the description below, in the description of this video, so you can find that link. You can visit my blog post, and from there you can just copy and paste the prompt, and the result will be in front of your eyes. So I will type because I will explain that what exactly I'm going to do. So the first thing in first line I will explain, like, use the uploaded image as the primary reference and create a premium quality 3D cartoon sticker pack of the same person. So this is in the first line. Then ensure the character closely matches the original photo. Okay, and maintain the same face shape, skin tone, and eye shape, hairstyle, and overall recognizable likeness. This is in the second line I have explained. Now in the third, I will explain about style guidelines, and this will be like Pixar and Disney inspired 3D character design with big expressive eyes, soft rounded facial features, smooth skin texture, detailed hair strands, a slightly oversized head, and small body proportions. Okay, and this, I have explained about the style guidelines and also now about the clothing. So the clothing should be inspired by the reference photo, keeping similar colors, style, and overall vibe. Now we will explain about the generating the complete sticker pack, and by following the featuring different emotions and poses. So like generate a complete sticker pack featuring different emotions and poses. So this will be like the first one, thinking, and for thinking we will use this emoji. You don't need to type or copy this emoji. You just copy and paste the prompt from my blog post. The link will be in the description of this video. And then the next is confused. So the confused icon we will paste here, and then winking, and winking icon is here, and then happy, and the happy icon is also emoji is here, and then sad emoji is here, and then surprised. Surprised is here, then in love. By the way, if you want to use these emoji in future, whenever, like, you can press window icon plus a dot on your keyboard, and you can find these emojis here. So you can search, or you can just go here and you can see a lot of emojis. So in love, we will use this heart emoji, and then we have angry, and angry emoji also we have, and then we have waving, and waving like this one. So we have explained about the different emotions and poses also in the prompt. Now each sticker must include what it should include. I will also mention, like, clean white outline, and soft natural shadow, and transparent background, and suitable formatting for WhatsApp and Telegram sticker packs. And in the last, I will explain, like, use soft even lighting with vibrant colors and ultra high resolution, sharp focus, and professional polish, and no text, no watermark, and no distortion. So we have explained clearly in this prompt what we require to design, these 3D cartoon sticker pack for this person. Actually, this is me. And tools, we can select create images, so Nano Banana Pro, and now we can just press enter and wait. The Nano Banana Pro Google Gemini will create the 3D cartoon sticker pack of this same image, and so you don't need any other thing, just AI Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and magically you can do this thing. See, incredible. Wow, this looks amazing. So you can see this is the thinking, and confused also, and winking also, happy also, sad also, surprise also, then love also, angry also, and waving also. So we have the exact person, 3D cartoon sticker pack of this same exact person. So incredible. Like, you can see how we have done it. So you have also learned a lot about AI Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro in this video. Just visit the blog post link from the description of this video, and you can just copy and paste the prompt from there. Subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos, and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.